Okay, so similar to our previous problem, solve this problem. Okay, separate it here. So 2s by 4s square plus 25 minus 5 by 4s square plus 25 plus Laplace inverse of 4s by 9 minus s square minus 18 by 9 minus s square. Okay, now write these two outside. Laplace inverse of s by, we have formulas for s square plus a square like that. That means s square coefficient should be 1, but here s square coefficient is 4, so we have to make it 1 by taking 4 as common. So let us take 4 common here. So you will get s square plus 5 square, then minus 5 by, here also same, take 4 common, so 4 into s square plus, sorry, what you will get here, if you take 4 common here, s square plus 5 square by 4 you will get. Here also 4, if you take 4 common, s square plus 25 by 4, that is 5 square by 4. Okay, then Laplace inverse of, right, so right here 4 is a constant, so write this 4 outside, then s by 9 minus s square, that is 3 square minus s square, then minus 18 by 9 minus s square, that is 3 square minus s square. Right, now yeah, write this 4 outside, so 2 by 4 Laplace inverse of s by s square plus 5 square by 4 is there. Here in the denominator we have 4, that is we can write it as 2 square, 5 square by 2 square, so we can write it as 5 by 2 whole square. Okay, then write 5 by, already we have taken 4 as common. Okay, so we'll get s square plus 5 square by 4, again write 4 as 2 square, 5 square by 2 square, that is 5 by 2 whole square. Okay, plus 4 into, here we have 3 square minus s square we have, right, that is a square minus s square form, but we have formula for s square minus a square, right. To get s square minus a square we have to take minus common, right, so take minus common. If you take minus common, what you will get, minus s by s square minus 3 square. Similarly here also, so if you take minus common, it becomes plus, so plus 18 by s square minus 3 square. Now 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2 into Laplace inverse, apply Laplace inverse separately, s by s square plus 5 by 2 whole square, next minus again 2 by 4, multiply with 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2 into Laplace inverse of 5 by s square plus 5 by 2 whole square. Then again next one, here plus into minus, we will get minus 4 into Laplace inverse of s by s square minus 3 square. Okay, next plus, let us write here 4 into, here we have 18, so 18 is a constant, so write outside, so 4 into 18 Laplace inverse of 1 by s square minus 3 square. Okay, now so 1 by 2 into Laplace inverse of s by s square plus 5 by 2 whole square minus 1 by 2 into Laplace inverse of s by s square plus 5 by 2 whole square, next minus 4 into Laplace inverse of s by s square minus 3 square plus 18 into 4, 72 Laplace inverse of 1 by s square minus 3 square. Now let us use standard functions here, that is 1 by 2 into, I am writing directly here, Laplace inverse, okay, so use the standard forms here, that is a Laplace inverse of s by s square plus a square. So what is the formula, s by s square plus a square, that is cos at, so in place of a we have 5 by 2, so it becomes cos at, that is cos 5 by 2 into t, minus 1 by 2 into, again Laplace inverse of s by s square plus a square, again cos at, so we can write it as cos 5 by 2 into Next, minus 4 into Laplace inverse of h by s square minus a square here. So minus here, that means you will get cos hat, that is cos hat. What is a here? 3. So cos h 3t plus 72 into Laplace inverse of 1 by s square minus a square. What is the formula? We have minus, so hyperbolic, that is 1 by a sin h 3t. That is 1 by 3 sin h 3t. Right? So that is the Laplace transformation, that is inverse Laplace transformation of given function. Okay, now here this is a given function 3s minus 2 by s square plus 8. Solve this problem by using same method.